In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT error. Something went wrong. If this issue persists, please contact us. The simplest fix is to refresh the page. Sometimes the error occurs due to a temporary glitch. You can do this by clicking on that refresh button or pressing F5 on your keyboard. Another thing that you should check would also be your internet connection. So make sure that your device is connected to a reliable internet connection. Sometimes the error is on OpenAI's end. To check if ChatGPT is down, you can simply search on Google is ChatGPT down, and you'll be able to find OpenAI status as the first result. So click on that. So look for any ongoing outages or issues with ChatGPT. If the servers are down, you'll have to wait for OpenAI to fix it. Otherwise, let's move on to the next fix. Your browser stores cache and cookies, which can sometimes cause issues with ChatGPT. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and head over to Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Cache Images and click Clear Data. And click Clear Data. Restart your browser and try accessing ChatGPT again. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you fix the something went wrong error in ChatGPT. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting guides. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.